Hey guys, welcome back to Kamara Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back, you guys, for another reaction video with me today. So, this is another recommendation to the group Foxy Rose, and this is a music video for this song, Turn Back and Go. So let's see what these ladies will be giving us. They better be good. No shade, no tay. Okay, love me a little walking intro. Okay. Pretty. Gorgeous. Come through with a bad bitch bob. Dirt. Ooh, bad. She has a bad bitch energy. Oh, they have her volume too low for this part. Walk, Miss Thing. Oh, this must be iPop too. Yes, swing them arms. I wonder if they're new as well. Yeah. I wonder if they're new. They seem like they're probably like new, a couple of years so. I see very good performance, live potential with this group. Letting us know they can sing. Okay. Coming back to you. Oh, that flows. Oh. Come on. Oh, Supreme. Can go. Back and go. Back and go. I go. Yes. Back and go. Come on, ladies. Back and go. Thank you so much, Foxy Brown. Turn Back and Go. I really do that as a very cute video. Thank you guys so much for that. I like it. That was cute. That was cute. That was nice. That was nice. I'm curious though, is this a new group that was just formed probably like last year or a year ago? I think they would do good live. They have good performance energy to perform live. So good job. So thanks to the ones who recommend me to react to the group Foxy Road and the selection for the music video. Thank you so much. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Turn your back and go.